Hi, I'm working on my Craftsman T-130 today. A very large spring appeared just kind of laying on the deck, and I've had a problem with the mower kind of sticking in drive mode. So my drive pedal, this pedal here, sticking forward. So I'm assuming that that spring has something to do with this pedal, unless it's a pure coincidence. Here's the spring. Spring is 11 and about an eighth to a quarter of an inch long, and it's about a 1 inch diameter. So now I think I got it, and it seems obvious now, but here we go. Front of the tractor, coming down under here. Okay, let's see if I can show you. There's a pin here. All right, this is the one end of the spring. So you can see this bracket that's highly galvanized and polished looking has another piece of it that sticks out on the flip side. Ooh, sorry. So you're going to attach there. All right, we'll look down. I just put a new engaged spring for the blade engaged spring on. That's what that is. But above it is this big spring, and follow it back. Sorry, you're gonna do it slower. So you're going to see it's coming to the forefront is one of the deck mounts, but it's this spring. Follow my finger now. Goes back to this pin here, fixed pin on the frame. And now that I've done it, seems really obvious.